Have you ever think about your retirement life? Would it be poverty, loneliness, or something else? Nowadays, people care more about their retirement life, using the money which they have saved when they were working to have a quality life after retirement. For example, buying a new house, traveling around the world, and so on. What kind of life do you want? A well pre-retirement financial plan will bring you a better retirement life. It can track and predict your saving and investment return. In order to predict how much you will have in the future, I'm using Matlab to build a retirement calculator, which can help people to calculate their future balance if they make annual deposit to their retirement account. Here is the graphic explanation of the project. From the graph, you can see the left side of the axis is the current balance of your account, which is your initial balance. Also, at the beginning of year 1, you make an annual deposit. Then, at the end of year 1, the amount in your account will be the sum of your principal and annual deposit that you have made, then multiply by 1 plus interest rate. At the end of year 1, which is the beginning of second year, you make another annual deposit. Then at the end of year 2, the amount in your account will be the sum of balance you had at the end of year 1 plus new deposit, then multiply by 1 plus interest rate. The following year will be the same. The end of each year balance will be the previous year plus new deposit, then multiply the sum by 1 plus interest rate. Here is the main function I will use in this project. It is the principal equal to the sum of principal plus deposit, then multiply by 1 plus interest rate. The principal at the left side of the equation will be the new principal every time. I created a loop in Matlab which can generate new principal value according to how many years have passed. Invest before it is too late. You will be rich someday, maybe. Here is the code in Matlab. I used the GUI, a built-in program, to create this calculator. Except using the for loop to generate new principal every year, I also have a if statement which can check how many years people are willing to make retirement deposit and see if you stop making annual deposit before you retire, you will get the amount of money at the end of year, which is the last year you made deposit by using the function by using this function. It is principal equal to principal plus deposit. Then use the sum multiplied by 1 plus interest rate. And for the rest of the year before you retire, every year of your account balance will use this function. It is principal equal to principal times 1 plus interest rate, because there will be no deposit anymore. Here is the example of using the calculator. For example, if you have 5,000 in your account and you deposit 1,000 every year, and then the annual interest rate will be 12%, and then there will be 10 years until your retirement. But you only want to make deposit for 5 years. And after we filled all the boxes, we can just click calculate. Wow, you will get 28. You will get this amount after like 10 years. That's a lot. Wow, you will be rich someday if you make saving every year. Also, in the main window of Matlab, you can see exactly how much you will get every year. And it shows like the balance for at the end of every year. This project can help people to finance and like track their retirement history and like see how much you need to deposit, and then you can have a better retirement life. Thank you so much.